Hi, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika. So recently we did a design segment for all of our locals here in Atlanta on bedding. If you watch our YouTube channel, you will see that we already did a video on how to make a luxury bed. Today, we're going to show you 2 ways to style a luxury bed. The first one is called the fold down. So we've already made up the bed with our flat sheet, with our feather bed, with our fitted sheet. Now we're going to go ahead and add our coverlet.
So, and we set the stage already for the stage. Okay, so we're gonna fold this down. We've already pre-folded it, so it'll be easier and make the video go quicker.
So when doing a luxury bed, you definitely want to play with those textures. This is a beautiful, silky, satiny feel. So that is a great element to include when doing a luxury bed.
It has a really nice jacquard raised print on it.
So beautiful.
Yes, it is. So this is the comforter layer.
So what you want to do with the comforter layer, you'll see that we went ahead and just folded it over.
Because it is a satin sheet underneath, just play with it a little bit. It may be slipping a little bit. Just play with it.
And that gives you that nice plush feel at the end of the bed. Now we're going to go ahead and add on our pillow layers.
Yes. So we're going to start with 3 Euroshams. This is a king size bed. Even if it is a queen size bed, we still add 3 Euroshams. So we have one that's a really nice 1-inch knife edge, and then we have a really nice ruffle finish on the other one. So we're adding the first layer of pillow. And this is what we call the sleeping pillow.
The sleeping pillow. My favorite pillow.
Yes, she likes to sleep. And then we're adding this really nice sham, and this sham matches the comforter at the bottom. So we're gonna add our favorite things to finish a bed, which is some decorative pillows. It's really nice velvet. And we're adding a really pretty textured velvet in the middle to complete the bed. So there you go.
Very simple, very easy, quick, easy fold down bed. Do remember when it's time to go to bed, take all of your pillows off and sleep underneath your coverlet.
Yes, very important. You will save those expensive decorative sheets if you turn them down. They'll last you much longer.
Yes.
So when you invest in bedding, just turn it down. Less washing, less dry cleaning, and it'll last longer.
So now we're gonna go ahead and go to our go-to bed. That's the most simple way to make a bed. Okay, so we just finished showing you guys how to do the fold down bed. Now we're gonna show you how to do the go-to bed. We've already laid our flat sheet.
All nice and pressed.
Yes. And now we're gonna add our comforter. So again, with a luxury bed, you definitely want to play with those textures. This is a beautiful velvet texture.
So what we did was we folded it in half and folded back down. So we can show you that real quick.
Yep.
So what we did was, and then
There,
all we
you want
did
to do
was
half,
half
fix it.
and then half.
Yep.
So we just pre-folded ahead of time just to speed things up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead
Now you
and
want to bring your flat sheet. You want to bring it all the way down to the half.
make sure it's nice and smooth.
Go ahead and fix it so it lines up. You want to bring it back so that you just see
Maybe-
a little bit.
About a third.
Yeah.
About a third of it.
So
And then you're gonna go ahead and tuck under this nice, clean, tailored go-to bed.
Yep.
See, that looks really nice and clean, like in a hotel. Hotel look. So we're gonna go ahead and lay the bed like how we usually do with some Euroshams.
And we're using the same bureaus from the first bed. Just the fresh white.
And then we're using a nice slate gray sleeping pillow. And then a really nice Pintuck velvet sham at the front. Now we're gonna add our
Accent pillows. Nice little karate chop.
and then we have a really nice fringe
A
pillow.
little
Just,
razzle dazzle.
So as you can see, everything just fits. It just kisses this nice fold down.
Perfect. Looks like a hotel.
And then we're gonna add a really nice throw. My signature way to add a throw is to just hold it at one corner and just drape it lightly over the bed and just let it cascade down.
Yummy.
There you go, a beautiful bed for the holidays.
Yes.
Or it can be just you like a
You
nice
just
luxury bed
love a luxury
every day.
bed.
Yes, beautiful.
Thank you so much for joining us. I hope that this was helpful in your holiday bed making or your luxury bed making. Now it's time to go. I would love to jump in this bed right now, but unfortunately this is for a client, so
Who said we can't?
You